In this video, we're going to talk about 8.2, Objective 2. We're going to solve equations that are proportions that are containing measures. So this is one of the ways that we can solve unit conversion problems, and it's important to know that the units get treated like a common factor, that if we have common units, they're going to cancel. 12 goes into 24 two times. So I have 1/2 equals 3 inches divided by x. So x equals 2 times 3 is 6 inches, and we keep our units as we solve the problem here, and that tells us what units we're going to have our answers in. These kiloohms cancel. 4 goes into 25 times and into 12 3 times. I also know I showed you this before, but I'm just going to show you this now because this is going to be 5 times 9. And this is going to be 3 times x, and I'm going to be able to divide by 3 on both sides here. Ask your teacher if they're okay if you do this, but I know that I can not only cancel top and bottom, but I can cancel anything that is on the same side here. We don't usually do that with fractions, but that works with proportions because of how this multiplication is going to work out. So anywhere around the box, top and bottom, left to right, top to bottom, left to right here, you can cancel, just not in the x where you're going to be multiplying. You can't cancel across the equal sign in the x there, but that's going to simplify this a little more and make this 5/1, which is 5, equals x over 3, and so x is going to be 15. And we're going to have the unit of kiloohms. All right, we got some decimals going on here. So let's go ahead and use the calculator. 4.82 times 3.32. It's going to be 16.0024 is equal to 12.77x. Divide by 12.77. And we're going to round to 4 significant digits. That's 1.2531. There weren't any units in this one, so I'm not really sure why this one was in on this sheet instead of the previous sheet, but that's okay. Now we've got it again where the miles cancel. See why I told you about things that were on the same side? And the hours are going to cancel here. So we shouldn't have put that unit there with x. X is just x. We don't put a unit there because we don't want the units to cancel. So that was, I'll leave these hours here, and I'll just scribble this out because we shouldn't have had a unit there. 600 divided by 75. I think it's probably going to go in there evenly. Yep. So this is 8, and x equals 8 hours. Okay, square feet will cancel here, and shouldn't have written the unit over here. We're going to end up with an answer that's in dollars. 715 divided by 6.5. It's 110. So x is equal to $110. I just looked at that in thousands because the thousands were going to cancel out with each other. Ounces will cancel here. Again, shouldn't have written the dollar sign here. And we just end up with x equals 3.25 divided by 24. And we want to make this the nearest cent, so this is going to be 14 cents. I have one more problem here. Again, don't write the unit with the variable here. The hours will cancel. You'll be left with miles in your answer. And this is 1700 divided by 2.4. And we want 4 significant digits, so 708.3. All right, that's it. We'll come back next time and talk about 8.3, objective 1, I believe it is. So I'll see you for the next video.